Hi, welcome to the Healing Path. My name is Christina. So, we are talking about meditation and how it is accessible to anyone. And I'm going to help you see this for yourself. So, I made a video about demystifying meditation where I talk about why it's good to meditate and different ways that you can meditate. And so today we're going to focus on mantra meditation. So meditation, just a little quick explanation in case you haven't seen that video. Meditation is literally just picking a focal point, and when you find yourself distracted, redirecting yourself back to your focal point. And I always like to add to that without being judgmental, right? We want to accept ourselves with love because we are all human and our brain is meant to think, right? So our job is just to bring ourselves out of the thinking space and focus on something else that helps our body and our nervous system to relax. Okay, so let's go ahead and we'll practice this mantra meditation. Now, there is a type of meditation called transcendental meditation, and that's where I initially learned about mantra meditation. That is a whole nother thing, and you might feel a little intimidated to meditate if you started out there. You might not. You might just take it and run with it, but I loved the practice. I think it was great for my ADHD brain to have a word to repeat to help me stay focused. So I'm going to have you choose your own word. With the TM people for the Transcendental Meditation, they give you a mantra, and it's a secret so that your mantra doesn't lose its power. And it's just a whole mystical thing. It's not a bad thing. It's great. But I'm going to bring an example of mantra meditation to you that's accessible to all, whether you have money to pay for TM or you want to learn Sanskrit or don't want to learn any of that stuff. So this is just a more basic version of that practice, right? So you can say this your word that you choose, or even a phrase quietly to yourself, like in your mind. You can whisper it or you can say it out loud. It is completely up to you. Today, I'm going to say mine quietly to myself so that I don't disturb you while you're practicing with me. So we're just going to take a few minutes. These are just like introductory videos to, hey, here's something you can do. And then later I'm going to make some videos where I basically just spend longer time doing this meditation with and for you so that you can maybe just do a guided meditation. But this is for you if you want to practice this on your own, right? After I introduce it. Okay, so I'm going to choose the word love because that's my favorite. And you can choose whatever you like. It can be peace, it can be, love, it can be unity, whatever. Okay. So get in a comfortable position, whether that's laying down or sitting up or standing. And we'll breathe a big collective breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. And close the eyes or look towards the floor, whatever you're comfortable with. And we'll begin just by focusing on the breath coming in and out of our nostrils. And don't force the breath. Just start to soften the body. Relax your face and your shoulders. And just let everything kind of relax here. And there's no rush, but when you're ready, you'll begin to softly repeat in your mind, or like I said, whisper or loud your mantra. So we'll just stick with a word today, and we will begin that practice now. Soften through the jaw and keep your chest relaxed. And bring yourself back to your mantra when you find yourself distracted. Take a few more moments here, saying your mantra. And then we'll let this mantra go for a moment. Draw a deep breath into the nose. Exhale a sigh out of the mouth. And gently crack the eyes open. So how did it go? I hope it went well. I feel calm and I'm teaching it. So hopefully you feel calmer. And it's only just been a couple of minutes. All right. Well, I hope you will continue to practice this or other types of meditation, and that you will enjoy the benefits of meditation in your life. So it will help you feel more calm more of the time, even when you're not meditated. And remember, if I can do it, so can you.